So far, I've been walking for 3 miles now. Haven't seen a soul. And I'm heading for the lookout. See you there. This is such an awesome day for a hike. It's in the mid-40s. Not a soul around. Sun shining. No bugs. No snakes to worry about. It's freaking awesome. All right, I made it to the lookout. Time to check it out. And here we are at the lookout. It's really windy up here. Of course, the view is amazing. I brought my little piece of chocolate with me, so whenever I make it up to the top, I can have a little chocolate bite. So, if I can get it open without dropping it. Crazy windy up here. Alright, I'm out of here. Well, I checked out the lookout. That was really awesome. But it was very cold up there, so that's why I got this thing on again. Heading back down now. There's Sasquatches behind me. Now, I'm probably the only one. I heard something. Mid-December, 40 degrees, in the middle of nowhere. What more could you ask for? I'm a dork. Alright, well, I'm down off of the view up there, off of the ridge. Man, was that windy cold. This trail was rated on all trails as hard. I guess if you were riding a mountain bike, it'd be hard, because there's no way. Why on earth would you want to go up or down that? It's crazy. I know I sure as heck wouldn't want to. But I'd imagine in the summertime walking this trail, maybe it would be hard. If it was very hot out. A lot of bugs and snakes, humidity, probably suck pretty bad. But the weather right now is amazing. Alright, well, gotta keep going. Alright, well, that was a trail. Took me about 2 hours and 45 minutes. Of course, I messed around a lot, doing videos and stuff, taking pictures. But all in all, It was a really awesome trail. Couldn't pick a better day for it. I'll leave my stick there for somebody else to use. All right.